What if I told you that while others are spending money in February for Valentine's, some smart Nigerians are getting love alerts from companies in Nigeria? Today I'll be showing you the stocks paying dividends in quarter one and how you can get on that payment list. So today we're talking about free money. We're not exactly free, but money, your money ends for you. Then you imagine your mommy gives you 1K to start a small biscuit business. At the end of the month, after selling all the biscuits and paying for the tray, you have 200 profit left because your mommy helped you with the money. Decided to give her 50 naira as a thank you and keep the 150 to buy more biscuits. That 15 naira you gave her is a dividend. In the NGX, when you buy shares of a company, you're a part owner. When that company makes a profit, they share that profit with you. Now you might be asking yourself, why February? Why March? Why not June or October? Let's break it down so it's clear as day. Now, in Nigeria, most of the big Oga companies like the giant banks, the cement giant, and companies like Vitafoam use what we call a calendar year. That means their business school year starts on January 1st and ends on December 31st. So imagine a student who just finished their final exams in December. Does he get his results on the same day? The teachers, does the accountant in this case, need time to mark the script, check the math, and make sure nobody cheated. That marking period happens in January. So by February, March, the results are ready to be pasted on the notice board. Now on the NGX, that notice board is the corporate announcement portal. So when a company says we made 100 billion naira profit, that is their result. And immediately after showing the result, they announce the party rice, which is the dividend, your dividend. So I love to call quarter one the harvest season for two reasons. Number one, the early bird price. Listen, in the Nigerian stock market, everyone loves a good deal. Once a company announces we are paying 5 naira dividend, everyone who was sleeping will suddenly wake up and start rushing to buy that stock. When everyone rushes to buy, what happens to the price? It goes up. If you buy in January before the announcement, you're buying at the normal price. But if you wait until March when the news is everywhere, you'll be buying at the hot price. So positioning early means you get a dividend and you enjoy the price going up. It's a double blessing. And number two, the January hangover. We all know how January feels in Nigeria. School fees, house rent, and the leftovers of Christmas spending. Now, quarter one dividends are like that unexpected thank you credit a lot of that hits your phone just when you need it the most. It's not about the cash. During this February and March window, something else happens. Companies don't just give cash; some give bonus shares. It's like going to Mama Put to buy one wrap of fufu, and because you're a loyal customer, she gives you half a wrap for free. So when you hear quarter one dividend season, don't just think of it as a date. All right, think of it at the time when the biggest companies in Nigeria opened their process to reward people who believed in them. Remember, we're looking at historical data. Just because it didn't came first in the first time doesn't mean they will come first in the second time. That's a very good sign. Now, Vitafoam is currently the talk of the town because their business year is different. It ends in September. They're always the first to pay in the new year. Now they have officially announced a dividend of 3 naira per share for the 2025 financial year. That's a massive jump from um 1 naira 5 kobo they paid last year. They're not just giving cash, they're giving a 1 for 5 bonus issue. That means if you own 5 shares, they will give you extra share for free. So to get this, you must own the stock by February 5th, 2026. We have the financial speedster that UCAP. United Capital is usually the first financial company to release its full year results. Historically, they release their audited results in late February. So last year, they were very generous, paying both an interim and a final dividend. We expect their final dividend announcement for the 2025 business year to drop between the last week of February and the first week of. We have Africa Prudential. These guys are in the business of managing dividend for other companies, so they like to lead by example. They almost announce their dividends in late February. Last year they announced a March and paid shortly after. Zenith and GTC are the heavyweight. They release their full year report card in late February, and even if you don't send the money to your account until April, the qualification date is often happens in March. If you wait until the news is on the radio to buy, the price would be already too high. Fresco and Okomo Oil are the agricultural giant. With the way the prices of food and oil are going, these companies have been making good money. They often provide earning updates in quarter one that hint at big dividend coming. Investors start positioning in March to cash the final payment, usually declared shortly after. Now pay attention. This is the most important part of the video. If you miss this date, you can buy 1 million shares and still not see one kobo in dividend. I wanted to imagine a big Lagos wedding. You know how this practice work now. There's an invitation, a guest list, a security door, and the actual party where they serve jollof rice. So dividend usually work like that. Let's look at the 4 magic dates using this wedding story. First is the invitation date. This is the day the couple sent out the save the date. On this day, the board of directors meet and shout, Nigeria, we have made money. We want to pay 2 naira per share. Now, this is when you get the announcement. When you hear this news on the radio or see it on the NGS website, the price of the stock usually jumps up because everybody wants an invite to the party. Now, here's a tip. If you wait until the day to buy, you're buying express price. The smart people bought their Shebi shares before the invitation even came out. Now we have the qualification date, the guest list. This is the day the event planner, called the registrar, sits down to write the final list of everyone who will get food. Now think of it like a teacher taking attendance in a classroom. If you're in a seat where the teacher calls your name, you're present. If you buy the shares even one day after this date, your name is not on the list. So to get this dividend, you must buy the stock at least 3 to 4 working days before this date. Why? Because in Nigeria, it takes a few days for the system to process your purchase. If you buy on the morning of the qualification date, you might still miss the list. Now we have the closure of register. This is the most confusing part for many people. After the qualification date, the company locks the door. From this day on to the payment day, the registrar is busy counting heads and calculating how much money to send to each person. If you buy the stock during this period, you are buying what we call X dividend. X means without. It's like buying a wedding invitation from someone who already ate the food. You own the paper, but you don't get the jollof rice. The person who sold it to you is the one who was on the list, so the company will send the money to them, not you. This is why you see the stock price drop suddenly on this day. It's because the food is no longer included in the price. Lastly, we have the alert day. This is the day we all live for. The day the music starts playing. On this day, the money leaves the company's bank account and head towards yours. In the old days, they used the mail paper checks to your house and many got lost. But now we use the e-dividend. If your e-mandate is set up correctly, you don't need to do anything. You just be at your work or at home and ping, the dividend alert drops. Now, important notice, if the payment day passes and you didn't get the alert, but you were on the guest list, it means your e-mandate is broken. You need to call your registrar immediately. Yeah, bring out your pen and paper, or better still, take a screenshot of this part. If you want those February and March alerts to hit your bank account, you need to follow this first step like a recipe for the best party jollof. Get a stockbroking account. You cannot buy stocks on Instagram or WhatsApp. You need a licensed stockbroker. You either use apps like Stanbic IBTC or use the old school way, walk into a bank, but make sure the name on your stock account matches the name on your BVN exactly. Be an early bird. Now, most Nigerians wait until they hear that Vitapom is paying on the news before they buy. The price has already flown up. Fix your money pipe. This is where the heartbreak happens. Did you know there's over 190 billion naira in unclaimed dividends sitting in Nigeria? That is money belonging to people. Before you run off to go and buy your shares, wait, hold your horse. I don't want you to come back to my comment section in March crying that you did not get your alert. There are some monsters that swallow dividends in Nigeria. Let's identify them so that you can avoid them. The first one on our list is the name mismatch monster. This is the biggest reason for the 190 billion naira unclaimed dividend I mentioned. The problem, see, in Nigeria, if your bank account says Okonkwo Emeka, but your stockbroker account says Emeka Okonkwo, the system might reject the payment. So you have to fix your name on your BVN, your bank account, and your CSCS and your stock account must be identical. If you've changed your name, maybe through marriage, and you haven't updated it with your registrar, your money will be hanging in the cloud. Please go and harmonize your names today. We have the latecomer fever. Many Nigerians only buy stocks when they see everyone talking about it on Twitter or Nairaland. By the time the gist is everywhere, the big boys are already preparing to sell you. You end up buying at a very high price. If you buy one date after the qualification date, you have missed the boat. You own the stock, but the dividend for that year is gone. So always check the official NGX corporate action table to be sure of the exact date. We have the price drop. This is something many beginners don't know. Usually, the day after a company locks the registrar, the stock price drops because the gift has been taken out of the stock. In fear, if you're a long-term investor, stay calm. The price usually recovers as the companies continues to make more profit. So I have to be honest with you. This is not a Ponzi scheme. Business is business. A company can promise to pay dividend, but if a sudden economic wala happens, if they have a massive loss, they can decide to cancel it. So the price of their shares can go up and down. You can buy a 10 naira today, and the next month is 8 naira. Never invest your survival money. Don't use your house rent, your child's school fees, or money for your businesses next stock up. Invest only what you can afford to live in the market for at least 1 to 2 years. If you like, go and buy because I mentioned the company. Go and check their website too. Look at their past report cards. Ask yourself, do I like this business? Me, I am your investment friend, not your pastor or your prophet. I'm here to give you the tools, but you're the one to build your house. Positioning for quarter 1 dividend is one of the smartest ways to grow to start your year. It's like planting a seed in January so you can eat fruit by March. Which Nigerian stocks are you holding for dividend this year? Let me know in the comments. And if you've learned something today, please like this video, subscribe for more money tips, and share this with one person who wants to start investing.